Looking to start getting fit but don't have a lot of time? Check out this beginner-friendly 10-minute workout routine. 1. Start with some jumping jacks for 1 minute to get your blood flowing. 2. Move on to squats for 1 minute to work those leg muscles. 3. Next, try some push-ups for 1 minute to strengthen your upper body. 4. Keep the cardio going with high knees for 1 minute. 5. Do lunges for 1 minute to target your legs. 6. Challenge yourself with a plank for 1 minute to engage your core. 7. Loosen up your shoulders with arm circles for 1 minute. 8. Work on your hips and thighs with side leg raises for 1 minute. 9. Engage your core with bicycle crunches for 1 minute. 10. Finish off with a 1 minute cool down to stretch out your muscles. Consistency is key. Give this workout a try every day and feel yourself getting stronger. Want to improve your posture? Try these simple stretching routines. 1. Start with a neck stretch for 10 seconds on each side. 2. Roll your shoulders forward and backward to relieve tension. 3. Open up your chest by clasping your hands behind your back and stretching. 4. Do the cat-cow stretch on all fours to stretch your back. 5. Sit cross-legged and gently twist your torso to each side. 6. Stand up and reach for your toes to stretch your back with a forward fold. 7. Stand against a wall and move your arms up and down like snow angels. 8. Stretch your hip flexors with a lunge forward. 9. Clasp your hands in front of you and push outward to stretch your upper back. 10. Take deep breaths to relax and improve your posture. Stretching daily can help you maintain better posture and reduce pain. Give it a try. Working from home and sitting too long? Try these quick desk exercises to stay active. 1. Relieve tension in your neck with gentle neck rolls. 2. Relax your muscles with shoulder shrugs. 3. Strengthen your thighs with seated leg raises. 4. Engage your legs with chair squats. 5. Stretch your wrists with wrist stretches. 6. Find relief for your back with seated spinal twists. 7. Improve circulation with ankle rolls. 8. Work your upper body with desk push-ups. 9. Keep the blood flowing with seated marching. 10. Take deep breaths to reset your mind and stay active. Remember to move a little bit every hour to avoid pain and stay active throughout the day.